In this video, we are going to show you how to set up Octanist with Google Tag Manager. First, create an account for Octanist, or if you already have one, head on over to your dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, look to the left-hand side for integrations. Click on Integrations, Incoming. Once you are here, click on Google Tag Manager. Here you will see your organization ID. We will leave that open for now. Your next step is to go to Google Tag Manager. Here, create a new workspace for your Octanist setup. On the left-hand side, you can create one. I've already done so. You can simply create a new workspace by clicking on the left-hand bar and then press the plus icon on the top right. Give it a proper name and save it, and you've created a new workspace. Up next, we are going to Templates on the left-hand side. Click on Templates. Then click on Search Gallery. In the top right corner, you'll see a magnifying glass. Click it to look for a specific template. In here, we will type Octanist. In here, you will see our Google verified Octanist tag. Click on it and add it to your workspace. Press Add. The tag has been added to our workspace. Now, click on Tags. Click on New in the top right corner. Click on this space. And under Custom, you will find Octanist Offline Conversion Tracking. Click on it. This is the tag that we just added from the template gallery. In our first box, you will see a field for the Octanist ID. Head back to Octanist and copy that ID. This is located over here. Copy it and paste it under Octanist ID. Next up, Octanist asks you to fill in a variable for your lead email, lead phone number, and a company name. One of these three must be filled, preferably an email or a phone number. In order to send a lead email and a lead phone number, you need to have implemented dataLayer events to catch and send these to Octanist. In order to do so, you will need the assistance of a web developer or a technical marketeer. In our Google Tag Manager documentation, which can be found in the video description, you will find an example email and the code that has to be implemented into the website in order to let Octanist function. Keep in mind that this is also beneficial for Google Ads tracking, Google Analytics tracking, and enhanced conversion setup. So it's not just for Octanist, it can also help you further improve your tracking for other marketing purposes. Once this has been implemented, we can continue our setup. Head back to Google Tag Manager and press on this brick. Once you are here, press the plus icon, press this empty space, and click on dataLayer variable. If you followed our steps from our documentation and the web developer has implemented everything according to our documentation, you can follow these steps safely and you can make sure that everything is working as intended. From here, we need to grab the user email. This can be simply done by heading back to Google Tag Manager and typing in user_data.email. To explain this, we need to grab the user data object, and from the user data object, we need to grab the email. Give this an appropriate name, like so, and this will be added to your Octanist tag. You do the same for the lead phone number. You click on that brick, click on New Variable, click on the empty space, dataLayer variable, and once again you type in user_data dot, let's see what it was called, phone_number. Phone_number. We copy that and give it appropriate name. Okay, perfect. Now the last step is adding the company name to the Octanist tag. This is saved under the company name handle. So once again, we create another variable. We click on the brick. We click on this plus. Click on the empty space over here. Look for dataLayer variable. And we type in user_data.company_name. And we give this variable a proper name again. There you have it. Press save and this will be added. Now we need a trigger to activate the Octanist tag. Now we need to add a trigger for our Octanist tag to fire. This can be simply done by clicking on triggers and press the plus icon in the top right. Click on the empty space here and look for custom event. If you have followed the instructions from our documentation, then you can simply copy and paste the steps that I'm showing you right now. The event name is submit lead form, so we can copy that and head on over to Google Tag Manager. And we paste that right here. Give it a proper name, event-submit lead form, and save it. Now we are almost done. You can simply type in Octanist for the tag name, so you're certain that it has a good name. We're almost ready to go now. We now need to test our implementation. Head on over to preview in the top right. And in this example, we will go to octanist.com. Now we need to submit the form in order to get the data into Octanist. In our case, this is our contact form. So for name, we will call it Demo Octanist. Call this 123@test.nl. And for the phone number, we will enter a random number. This is a test. You can ignore this. There we have it. And now we can send our message. If you head on over to the Tag Assistant window, you will see that the submit lead form has been triggered by Google Tag Manager. And once we click that, we can open up the API call and see what data has been sent. And as you can see, the Octanist tag also fired. In order to verify your implementation, head on over to Octanist. We can close this and head on over to Leads Open. And as you can see right here, we have the proper names coming in and we can further qualify this lead. If you need any help setting up Octanist, please reach out to support@octanist.com. We are happy to help.